Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS ZenFone Zoom, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and then tap on the three-dot icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history. And basically here we've got the list of all previously visited websites, so let's tap on Clear Browsing Data. And as you can see, here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, for example. And we've got also saved passwords and autofill from data in the advanced settings. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. Let's tap on Clear. And basically this is it. After getting back to the history, you can see that everything is empty. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.